We're looking at the Norwegian Dawn. Here parked in Sydney Harbour, and it belongs to the Norwegian cruise line. It entered service in the year 2002. It's 965 feet long, 106 feet wide. It has 15 guest decks. It's almost 92,000 tons. It's powered by 2 diesel-electric engines. It'll hold 2,224 passengers. That's with double occupancy, and has a crew of just over 1,100. There's 12 elevators on the ship. There's a kids center, a teen club, and a total of 112 rooms. 145 suites with balconies. 364 ocean view with balconies. There's 250 ocean view with no balcony, and 353 inside cabins. We've been on a few cruises now. The last one we had a suite with a balcony. It was very nice. You could have your breakfast or whatever you may want to do on the deck. The balconies aren't overly large, but they do give you some privacy. Every morning we used to just take our breakfast, go down and have our coffee, and what we had for breakfast and had on the deck, it was very nice. The cruise before that, we had an inside cabin, and the cost is quite a bit different between a inside cabin and a room with a balcony. So there's bars, lounges, library, there's internet center, casino, disco, nightclub, movie, card room. There's a game room, video. There's a video and arcade room for kids. There's an outdoor pool. There's a sports court, fitness center, gym, golf driving net, duty-free shop. One thing that I did find with the duty-free shop is you couldn't buy alcohol any cheaper than on board the ship. Even when we came off the ship, we went to a few places and there was no comparison. It's exceptionally cheap. There's a spa, sauna, steam room, children's pool as well, and there's teen programs. So it's a family-oriented vessel, and it's a beautiful looking ship, that's for sure. It's only been in operation for 10 years and it looks mint. I always talk about the fitness center. I was never one for fitness, but once you've eaten some of the food on these ships, if you don't get to the fitness center, make sure you watch your consumption, because it's quite easy to put 10 pounds on. The food is usually exceptional. And there's beautiful colors down the side of it. And it's freestyle cruising. And that is the Norwegian Dawn.